Hello, friends. It's Running Kimono here, and we're going to talk about the best deals right up until the 30th of December. And we're looking specifically at curbside offers, but the first part is just going to be Christmas clearance, which everybody loves. And for the curbside, we're going to be hitting that box on the left hand side, ordering it, driving to the store, and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And I believe I have 4 matchups for you. Now, I will not be shopping this week, really under the weather over here. So, I made a matchup video where I was like, this is the best deal to do in store with register rewards and so on and so forth. If you're more of one of those shoppers that likes to look around, watch this video. I will link it at the very end. And I think all the information stands. And we even had the Garnier Fructis and Whole Blends for the $3 register reward. Check out that video. I'll link it at the end. Register rewards are in-store only, not curbside. And if you do celebrate Christmas, a little late, I did wish you guys a Merry Christmas in the video I made on Christmas Eve, but I didn't make a video yesterday. I just really wanted to wish everybody a very happy holidays if you do celebrate. And how adorable are these 4 guys? And I know that a lot of you are always asking about Pumpkin, the bad boy in the center, and he's up to no good. So that is the update. Okay, so the first piece of business is that a lot of the gift sets are 60% off as a curbside, as if you're buying this to have it shipped to your house, or if you're going in store. And even if it's not ringing up for the price in store, they should modify one of these for you. I think it's in their policy over at Walgreens, but we have the Dove for $4. These are going to go really, really quickly, guys. We have the Chic set for $4, the Axe set for $4. So, if you have a little bit of time and gift sets are your thing, because I know a lot of people are like, start the car, get to Walmart. But start the car, get to Walgreens. These are, I think they knew that people are crazy for gift sets. They're like, we're going to take $6 off. And people are going to just fill up carts like crazy and run. And check that out. And then check your IBOTTA if you might have some rebates as well for either Olay or the different gift sets. I unfortunately don't have many, or most of mine are for over at Walgreens, but definitely worth it because like these prices, yeah. I saw that some shoppers are just getting this like right in store for $4 as well. So I think it's going to go really, really quickly. So I would go pursue this, either put a curbside order in or go and get them. Also included, a lot of this stuff is 50 lights. The candy is also 50% off as well. Little Miss Ice Matcha, a 16-inch Squishable for $10 from $24.99. So that's some pretty significant savings. And then a lot of toys too have weird clearance. Like this is way more than 50% off. So yeah, here's a quick deal though of one item that is $10 as well. I know a lot of us were discussing this Yankee Candle gift set, which I think is really adorable. A lot of you are saying that the candles are a lot less than they have been in previous years, but for $10 for 3 of them, I think that's a very good deal. So I would definitely, if you've been curious like myself, throw one of these in a basket for 10. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash as a curbside pickup if you might have it, and make this deal happen. And if you are going to do a curbside pickup, go get your order and then look around at store. And then some of this clearance stuff, I think they're aggressively pricing it at $60 right now for certain items to get stuff moving really quickly so they don't have Christmas stuff right until February. Okay, so the next curbside deal that we're going to look at is for these refills by Gillette. They are the Venus 3. I think there was a digital coupon, but I think I used it. They're $5.99 a pop. So for 2 of them, it's $11.98. If you have that digital coupon, a bit more advantageous, but there were so many razor deals last week. 2 of them in a basket, $11.98. Your curbside pickup is free. So $12.70, and then you're getting back 8 because the promotion with Gillette is to buy 2, get back 8. You can actually use $10 in Walgreens cash and still earn your 8, but what a little deal. And that deal with the $5 P&G register reward, that was last week only, so do not bank on that. Okay, the next deal that I have prepared for you guys is we're going to grab 4 of these puffs. And let's get the one with the Vicks and the soft one if you've been suffering from a cold. And we have a 3 off of 4, which is a very, very generous coupon. At the very least, load this one, guys. And then we're also going to grab a miscellaneous toilet paper for 79 cents. And then 2 of the Kleenex facial tissues. The bigger boxes, and then load this 2 off of 2. If you are suffering from a really bad cold, or runny nose, you probably will understand this one. So $16.73. Use the code WAG10 for $1.17 off, free curbside pickup, $5 of manufacturers melting off. So the new total is $11.49. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.49 and call this a steal of a deal. The next deal that we have is deal number 4. We are going to grab 2 of these L'Oreal Paris toners at $7.99 a pop for $15.98. Toner's a thing that you never know when you're going to need it. I've been using a lot of it lately, and I love it. So we have this digital coupon, which is very generous, which is a 10 off of 2. Make sure you have that loaded. You have until the end of the year to use it. And so we're going to load that guy up. And I've been using a lot of toner, for like face waxing and stuff. It's just absolutely fantastic. So 2 of those is $15.98. I used the code WAG10 again for 60 cents off. A little bit of tax there and that $10 coupon melting off. So $6.30. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash if you might have it and pay $1.30 and call this a very good deal. Okay, so we're looking now at deal number 5. And you know what? We don't really get a lot of deals for ladies, for tampons and stuff. So this is $11.99 for this double pack of like variety. We have a $4 digital, so let's make something happen. Why not? So that for $11.99 with that generous coupon. And then I'm also going to throw in 2 of these Planters peanuts for $6, so they're $3 a pop. And we have $1.50 digital, so that's why I'm like, let's throw that in. Just something extra if you like peanuts or if you like to cook with them, whatever. $17.99, WAG10 taking $1.25 off, free curbside pickup, $5.50 of manufacturers melting off, $11.24. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.24 and call this a really good deal, especially for that large box of Playtex. Now, before I take off, we're talking a lot about gift sets, Walmart, run. If Bath & Body Works is also your thing, their semi-annual sale started today. I made a video a couple weeks back. I will link it. It's only like 5 minutes-ish long, but how to have the biggest amount of success and how to get like a whole table for like $50. I will link it right here. There's a lot of tips and tricks. You might want to check it out if you love Bath & Body Works. That's it for this video, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Bye.